Hello there. A lot of people often ask me, how do I create a LinkedIn business page? So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's jump into it. Under the drop-down of work, if you click on it and then click on Create a Company Page here in the bottom right corner, you'll be faced with LinkedIn's Page Creator tool. The first step is to select your company size. So we can have a small business, a medium to large business, a showcase page, or an educational institution. In this case, I'm just going to select a small business. And then we are presented with a variety of different options which relate to our business. Under the name, we would type in our business name. And as you can see, after I start typing it in, my LinkedIn public URL ends up kind of auto-completing as well. Now, this is very important because we don't want it to be too complicated that people can't type it in the future. So just have a quick look at that and make sure that you're happy with it. Then your company website. Industry. When you click on this, you have a variety of different options that you can pick from. Company size, company type, profile details, selecting a logo, and LinkedIn recommends a 300 by 300 pixel. But to be honest, anything above that in a kind of square format is absolutely fine as well. Then a short tagline. This is one of the first things that people will see or find out about your business. So just have a quick think, how can you summarize this? And then the final thing is just to verify that we are authorized to create this page. When we create the page, we'll see our kind of super admin view, and there's a variety of different things we can continue to add to it, finish it. And you can see here that LinkedIn has provided this kind of checklist of the things we can do to complete the process. The first one is to add a short description, and then click Save. That item has disappeared and we can see our little green progress bar has gone up one. Location, click Save. And then now that is added. We can also add multiple locations if you do have different offices. One more thing ticked, last two, your first post and your hashtags. On your hashtags, you can select up to 3 different ones. And these are the hashtags that your business can comment on and interact with. And you'll also get notifications when there is a trending post on these. For example, marketing, business, and then maybe for local kind of news, Isle of Wight. As my page, I can now comment on these hashtags. And that's a nice brand awareness exercise because instead of showing as your own profile, it'll be your business's profile picture and clickable link. That leaves us with the final thing of creating a post. As an example, remembering to add an alternative tag to help make this post more accessible. Clicking done and then adding a bit of text. Clicking post. And that completes the basics of creating your LinkedIn page. And the last thing to do is just to add a cover photo, which as we can see, LinkedIn recommends to be between 1128 and 191 pixels. I'm just going to quickly select and then just reposition it so it fits. Click Save. And that's our page completed. Now we can start to invite some of our connections to follow the page, start posting. I hope you found this tutorial useful and there'll be more like this coming your way very soon. In the meantime, stay safe and have a good one.